Why are my phone apps not loading on mobile data? Have you ever opened an app and watched it sit there, stuck on loading, even though your phone shows you have a good cellular signal? It can be frustrating, especially when Wi-Fi isn't available. Let's look into why your apps might not be loading on mobile data and how to fix it. First, the most common reason is that your phone is having trouble maintaining a strong connection to your cellular network. If you're in an area with poor signal strength, like inside a building with thick walls or in a remote location, your phone might struggle to send or receive data. When your phone switches between cell towers trying to find the best signal, it can cause interruptions that prevent apps from loading properly. During busy times, network congestion can also slow down your data connection, making apps freeze or not load at all. Another thing to check is your data plan. If you've used up your monthly data allowance, your carrier might restrict your access to mobile data until your billing cycle resets. Some phones also have a data limit setting that, once reached, automatically blocks further data usage to prevent extra charges. Moving on, app permissions are important. Your phone controls which apps can use cellular data. If you accidentally turned off data access for a specific app, it won't load content unless you're on Wi-Fi. Background data restrictions can also cause issues. If you have data saver mode enabled, it limits background activity for many apps to save your data. This can prevent apps from updating or loading content when you're not actively using them. Software issues can also be behind the problem. If your phone's operating system is outdated, some apps might not work correctly over cellular data. Installing the latest updates can fix compatibility issues. Clearing app cache and data can help if an app gets stuck or doesn't load properly. Sometimes, VPN apps interfere with your connection, blocking apps from accessing the internet even if your cellular connection is fine. Your phone's access point name settings are another factor. If these are misconfigured, your phone can't properly connect to your carrier's network, stopping apps from loading. Resetting VPN settings to default can often fix this. DNS settings are also important. Changing your DNS to automatic or using well-known servers like 8.8.8.8 can help resolve website address issues that prevent apps from loading. Hardware problems like a damaged SIM card can cause connection issues. If your SIM card isn't making good contact or is damaged, your phone can't connect properly to the network. Malware or viruses can also interfere with network functions, blocking apps from loading content. If you're traveling abroad and using a different SIM card, roaming restrictions might be in place. If roaming isn't activated or you've run out of roaming credit, apps won't load on mobile data. To troubleshoot, start by restarting your phone completely. This clears temporary glitches. Make sure mobile data is turned on in your settings. Check that the specific apps you're having trouble with have permission to use cellular data. Clearing the cache and data of those apps can also help. Disable data saver mode if it's active. Reset your network settings to restore default configurations. If you use a VPN, try disabling it. Updating all your apps ensures they work well with your system. Lastly, contact your service provider to confirm your account is active and you haven't exceeded your data limit. These steps cover most common issues that stop apps from loading on mobile data. By working through them, you'll find out what's blocking your apps and fix the problem quickly.